guys, we are at Green Valley Park at Creston for tonight. So we just got here, got our tent put up. It is a hot one, but we will see what today brings. Stay tuned. Well, we got our camp set up and stuff. So now I'm gonna treat myself with Dunkin' ice coffee. Love that stuff. I'm actually addicted to it. Best stuff ever. It is pretty hot. We're gonna go on a bike ride later on when it's cooling down. Right now it's just too hot to go out for a bike ride, but stay tuned. Well, I think we're gonna get ready to eat some supper. Something simple today. We're just gonna have some chicken salad sandwiches and some of this stuff next to it. So I made this chicken sandwich stuff at home ahead and brought it, so something cool. We didn't want nothing too hot tonight, so I think got those buns at Walmart. They seem really fresh. There we go. There's our chicken salad. Very cool. So easy to make at home, it really is. Oh my gosh. And it's really delicious. That. It's only two knives. Just gonna use not one. And I think after supper, we're gonna go on a bike ride. Soon as the sun's starting to get down a little bit. I'm gonna do some bike riding. Kory and myself have some new bikes we want to try out. We tried them out a few times, but not really that often. We just got them. So we will do that later.
There's a heat warning, but a lot better time to go camping. It's
Yeah.
perfect.
Heat warning and we out here. Yeah. So long as you stay in the shade, it honestly is not too bad. But that sun, it hits you. Oh, yeah. Pretty crispy. I think we're ready to eat them. Whew.
I'm going to show you our bikes we got, and they work out well for the both of us. I have a Trek Dual Sport, which is right here, Dual Sport 2. So it's a hybrid. You can take it on-road and off-road. And then I'll show you this. It's got some shocks on it, and it's got the little display, place for GoPro. It's got 18 gears. It's a Dual Sport 2. Disc brakes. Nice bike, very light. I think it's 26 pounds, I think. It's a very light bike. And Alex has an electric bike. It's electric, and it'll assist you while you're pedaling. You can adjust how much it helps you. It's really a fancy little bike. It's very comfortable. It has a nice display on it. It's got a key to turn it on. Here's the display. You can have different modes of how much it assists you. It really works well. Very comfortable bike, I admit. It's a comfortable bike. Like it very well. She really likes it. So that's our bikes. We're gonna go take a bike ride. It's hot.
Can't tell. I like. What is it?
Oh, the cream thing? Okay. We'll get it. Good morning. We had a good sleep last night and it wasn't really too hot. Pretty nice this morning. So I think we're gonna get us some coffee and maybe go on a bike ride. And we'll check back later. Well, thanks for watching. It's starting to warm up, so we're packing up and gonna hit the road. Had a good time camping.
So thanks for watching, and we will see you the next time we get
Out of the house.
House.